Hey guys, it's now midnight and we are coming to the end of the previous challenge on yoyo emojis. So we're just going to quickly announce the winner. So to do that, we'll just click on the tag and see which post came out on top. Okay, there we go. So we have this post by with 129 likes. So it's the one with the most likes in this challenge, and that the owner of this post will receive the $100 and it's that simple. So we have started a new challenge. I'm just going to go back here. So this is the new challenge. Add this mask to your post and be responsible, stay home. The post with the most likes wins, and the second in the challenge wins 500 kwacha. Yeah, so you just simply click on challenge, then you simply go to your gallery. You simply go to your gallery and you'll be able to choose an image with which you would actually paste this sticker on, and you post to the main feed, and you'll be able to take part in the challenge. And good luck. Please take part in the new challenge, and you could be the next winner. Thank you.